I hope that young people just become inspired to study STEM fields and pursue STEM careers and be creative and come up with new technologies for the future.
I think you need to study what interests you and then figure out what you're going to do with that. I am hoping that some of them will be inspired to not only do engineering, but try and go into take a lot of math and physics and potentially be inspired to do some of the things that we do in the oil business or the energy companies. The planet is evolving, people are evolving, and technology has to keep pace with that.
Be curious and stick with it and follow your passion and find what you like to do and make it your own.
Just don't be afraid to ask questions.